Kamaya Coast.
Oh my gosh, how?
Opak! Ganda ka?
Sinubukan ko lang naman. Maging mabait.
Permission ka pa.
Oo, diba?
Permission granted ka.
Oo. Wala siyang choice eh. Hi, friend. And hi, Maya. Say hi to the ano. Hi.
Sir, ano na, pasok ka na
Pasok.
tayo doon.
Ay, okay. Hi, friend. Kaya pa? Okay, let's go. Thank you po. Busy rin kasi ako kanina.
Tapos ayaw ko pasamahin ng lola ko.
Friend, watch your step. Hanggang dito lang pala, no?
Dito na. Ito na po. Let's go home na.
We're here. We can go home.
Ay, okay na tayo, Maya.
It's our home!
You can jump now. Maya, we can jump now. Jump on the ocean.
Oo.
Talaga naman bumitaw na. Gusto ko magdala ng tali.
Independent girl.
Magkakalapit lang. Okay lang. Pass. May Jesus life naman yan.
May Jesus life din ako. Hello. At here.
Sino na sumuko?
I think better to. Saan tayo? Dito na? Dito? O gusto nyo sa dulo? What do you want? Sa dulo? Sa dulo na lang? Parang gusto ko here. Diyan ka nagtapartabi kayo ni Jai. Alam Jai. Parang masaya naman here. Di ba? Better. Kasi yung sa ano naman kasi sexy ka na dun sa dun sa babo. Eh okay naman pala dito. Uy, ang ganda nung likod friend oh. Ang ganda pa nung ano.
Lumayo ka na dyan.
Di ba?
Tatanungan na tayo.
Oo.
Don't let it be too fast.
Hello guys. It's 6:59 a.m. Nasaan tayo friend?
I don't know.
You don't know?
Where are we, Maya?
I don't, maybe a boat. Well, I don't know where we're gonna go.
Say hi to the camera.
Say
Hi. Where are we going, Maya? Where are we going?
I don't know.
You don't know? I don't know either. So, we're in the middle of Manila Bay. That's what I think of. And where are we going?
Kamaya Coast.
Oh my gosh, how? Oh my gosh. Ang daming energy ni girl. So guys, andito kami ngayon sa Kamaya Coast Ferry. We're going to Kamaya Coast Resort. Maybe, mga ano pa to, 30 minutes to something. So 7 pa lang naman guys. So medyo for the hilo na at for the balance, 'di ba? So girl, paano mo 'to nalaman, girl?
Sa TikTok.
'Di ba? For the TikTok talaga tayo. It's ano lang naman siya guys, it's a day tour. So kapag weekends, ano siya, 6.99 friend, no?
Yeah.
6.99. Pag weekday,
$2.99.
2.99 lang? Bakit tayo nag-weekday?
Season.
Ay, okay. Totoo ba? 2.99 talaga? Ang ferry?
Pag hindi peak season.
Ah, okay.
Yeah.
For the mura pala.
Pag peak season, tapos weekend.
$6.99. Okay. And it's a long holiday. It's August 24. Say hi to the vlog.
What do you wanna say?
I don't know.
How was your experience?
What?
So far. How's your experience so far?
Are you having fun?
Are you having fun?
Yes.
Are you happy?
Yes.
Okay, that's good.
Very good. Cause if you're not, good luck to the mom. So yes, guys, update na lang namin kayo later.
John, kindly check all your belongings and ensure nothing shall left behind.
Let's go. Ano tayo? Saan tayo? Oh, okay. So from ferry to bus. Hi, girls.
Hi. That's my
Cute. Nice. Naghiwa-hiwalay pa tayo.
Galit. Galit.
Oo. Okay. Naghiwa-hiwalay pa po kami. Ayan na, we're here na.
First ride, dog trip.
Ano yung kaya walang energy, ha?
Dahil palang pagod na.
Yeah.
Partida, hindi pa ikaw nag-drive ng bonggang-bongga.
Try mo na sa basta namin.
Yung sa bus.
I think they're home.
Buti nga sabi sa kaidip tayo, eh, no? Akala ko din, eh. Akala pagdating natin dito, mag-aaral na tayo, pabalik na ulit.
Kasi parang play na kaya, tapos tuwalis ulit tayo.
Ano oras na ba? Oh, ayan, 9:32. Tapos kailangan natin mag-board ng bus ulit ng 2?
Oo.
O di wow, may 4 hours tayo, why
4
not?
hours.
So may 4 hours para mag-ano?
It's an eyeglass.
Daming tao din talaga, no?
not sunglasses.
Grabe. Oh my God. Oh my God, Maya!
Unicorn costume.
Ayaw.
Oh, hi.
Mag-photoshoot talaga kami ni ni friend. Oo naman. Tapos puntahan ka na lang namin kapag kailangan din namin ng energy.
Bigyan ka ni Maya.
Oo, grabe si Maya. No? Yay, we're finally here.
Yo.
God, let's go.
Let's go.
favorite tuloy ni Mayong. Let's go.
Nabasa niya sa atin sa chat.
Oh. Maya, let's get it.
Well, let's go is my favorite word to say.
Oh. Really? Oh my God. Parang kakain lang talaga tayo dito pala. For the lamon lang. Ayan, pwede tayo dito. Kung wala. Ay, okay. Oo nga pala. Meron pa din.
Maya. Maya.
Excited si Maya.
There's a walkway, bebe.
Walang walkway, sabi ni Maya.
Straight things that ano.
Oo, gusto na ni Maya magtampis ako. Oh, let's go. Diyan, friend. Pwede na dyan. Thank you. Thank you. Maya, I'll put it here, ha? There. What? What do you want? Oh, so plenty. This one? Oh, the waffle.
Waffle with ice cream talaga.
And I want strawberry.
Strawberry. Okay, kain po muna kami for the kain before the beach. Maya.
Maya, hello po.
Eat na, Maya.
Right there.
Excited na siya kumain. For the pancake na si Maya. Let's eat. Let's go. Let's get it, Maya. Ang beef tang. Kasi one of their specialty. Hi, Maya! na kaya, guys. Hindi ko na kaya.